to Style Alert. मैं हूँ अदिति. Style Alert is all about celebrity fashion. हम आपको बताएंगे आपके फेवरेट स्टार ने क्या पहना, कौन सा इवेंट अटेंड किया, and what's hidden in their closet. और अगर बात फैशन की हो रही है तो फैशन पुलिस का होना बहुत जरूरी है. तो इस वक्त हमारे साथ मौजूद है हमारे एक्सपर्ट स्टाइलिस्ट अमित हंसराज. अमित, वेलकम टू द शो.
Thank you, Aditi. Thank you for having me here.
So Amit, let's get the show rolling.
Absolutely.
और देखते हैं what our stars were up to this week.
Party alarm!
Something for your mind, your body, and your soul.
You know, Amit, this time we have so many A-list actors on the magazine's cover pages. So we have decided to dedicate a complete section to them. और मैंने तो सोच लिया है, हम इस सेक्शन को cover awards कहेंगे.
In fact, हमारे पास बहुत सारा मसाला भी है. We have Abhi Ash on the cover of Vogue. We have John Bipasha on the cover of Filmfare. We have Rani Mukherjee on L'Officiel, and we have Kangana Ranaut on Harper's Bazaar.
Exactly. और आपने नोटिस किया इस बार अभिषेक और ऐश्वर्या कितने अच्छे लग रहे हैं Vogue के. What do you have to say about this?
अच्छे बिल्कुल लग रहे हैं, but one thing for sure कि अभिषेक के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा Photoshop किया गया है. I mean, you can clearly tell. You look at his body and you look at his face. ऐसा लग रहा है कि पोस्ट वर्क करके फेस को बॉडी के ऊपर अलग से चिपकाया हुआ है. That's what I feel. Otherwise, the pictures are lovely. I mean, it's a big budget shoot. It's very glossy. और दूसरी बात जो है वो है ऐश्वर्या की ड्रेसेस. I mean, she's looking brilliant. She's wearing all the top brands. But वही dresses, if you look behind, one dress which she's wearing was worn on the cover of Marie Claire by Lara Dutta.
All right, the same dress.
The same dress. And उससे पहले ऐश्वर्या का फेमिना में आया था. उसमें she's wearing a gown which was worn by Jacqueline Fernandez on the cover of Vogue. She kind of represents India internationally. She should be a little more careful. All the stylists who work with her should be a little more careful about, you know, the dresses, that they should not be repeated on her.
And you remember at Cannes the kind of hairstyles she was sporting, and this time I think it's much better.
Oh
what do you
yes,
say?
oh yes, thank God for that. I mean, great job done by the hairstylist, and in fact she is the brand ambassador for L'Oreal, so yeah, I mean, she's looking really nice.
And now let's move on to John and Bipasha. What do you have to say about them?
Oh, I love the whole photo feature. I like the cover. I think the chemistry is so strong that they don't need a lot of fancy dresses, fancy setup, photoshopping. Nothing is required because they both look lovely together. The whole mood is very candid. I think it's working brilliantly. John Bipasha, really good.
Okay, ये तो बात हुई जॉन और बिपाशा की. अब हमें ये बताओ कि रानी मुखर्जी के बारे में आप क्या कहोगे?
Rani Mukherjee on the cover of L'Officiel, I think it's really bad. It somehow, I don't know why, but it reminds me of Meenakshi Seshadri back in the 80s. Inside pictures are thankfully much better than the cover. I like the picture where she's just leaning on the chair, sitting. That's a nice picture. And but there's another picture of her in a black dress, which is also nice. I mean, she's lost a lot of weight. She's looking sexy. But the cover fails miserably. I'm sorry.
रानी के बाद let's move on to Kangana Ranaut. She's been making a lot of news lately.
Kangana Ranaut on the cover of Harper's Bazaar. I think it's a really, really nice cover. I like it a lot, from her hair, styling, to the way it's been shot. I think it works really well. Kangana, without a doubt, is one very strong contender for the style icon in Bollywood, besides Sonam Kapoor. I think it's working very well.
और अमित, हम कंगना की बात कर ही रहे हैं तो you know recently she's walked the ramp for JJ Valaya. What do you have to say about that look of hers?
That looks nice. I mean, it's a little too made up for me. She's looking a little more chubbier, and I read it in a newspaper that she's enjoying this look, which is good. I mean, one should be really comfortable in how one's looking. Not so much for me. It's not working so much for me, honestly.
When she'd walk the ramp, उस टाइम पे जब इनका लुक सामने आया था तो सबको लगा था कि ये कौन है? Nobody could recognize her.
Absolutely.
It's absolutely different the way she dresses up usually. और यहाँ पर she's wearing a लहंगा चोली. She's wearing this necklace, huge necklace. और overall look बहुत different है. According to you, it's good or mediocre?
Of course, थोड़ा सा मेरे को भी पहचानने में दिक्कत हुई थी. I had to look at her twice to make out that, oh, that's Kangana Ranaut.
अब बात करते हैं लारा दत्ता की. What do you have to say about her? रीना ढाका के लिए she walked the ramp recently.
लारा दत्ता की जो पर्सनालिटी है, I think वो कुछ भी पहन ले अच्छी लगती
I know she
हैं.
looks stunning. She's amazing.
She's really nice. She's got a nice body. She's not too skinny. I'm a little disappointed with the outfit she was wearing, but overall I think the whole look is working. I mean, she carried it off brilliantly because of her personality.
लारा दत्ता के बाद अब बात करते हैं बच्चन बेटी की. This time बच्चन बहू नहीं, बच्चन बेटी ने रैम्प वॉक किया है. तो what do you have to say about Shweta Bachchan? She's walked the ramp for
Abu Sandeep.
Abu Sandeep. So tell me about it.
Shweta Bachchan looks nice. I like her, but the outfit was really bad. I mean, I'm sorry, but that's not fashion for me.
And do you have to say something about her, the way she walks? That was a little awkward. She said she was a little nervous before the ramp walk, but what do you have to say about
Aditi,
it?
we should not forget that she's not really a model. I would say it's normal for a person to come and walk in front of so many people in Couture Week wearing a huge outfit. I'm sure it must have been quite a task for her to manage that outfit. I like Shweta Bachchan, but I didn't like the outfit.
अबू जाने के लिए रैम्प वॉक तो श्वेता बच्चन ने किया, पर वहाँ पर विद्या बालन भी मौजूद थी. एंड वी मस्ट नॉट फॉरगेट रानी मुखर्जी. रिमेंबर हर वेयरिंग जंपसूट्स फॉर Sabyasachi.
Vidya Balan and Rani Mukherjee had come to support their very dear friend Sabyasachi Mukherjee. I loved what Vidya was wearing. She was clearly wearing Sabyasachi red sari. She had her hair focused straight. I think she was looking really, really good. Rani Mukherjee, on the other hand, was wearing that jumpsuit with a gold coin necklace. We spotted her in jumpsuit in some other event also, and a couple of times she's been seen wearing different jumpsuits. It doesn't really work on her body type.
She likes it. So
she likes it, so she can wear it. Absolutely.
So she can jump around easily.
Absolutely.
So now it's verdict time. अमिताभ, हमें बताइए किसको मिलना चाहिए क्लैप और किसको मिलना चाहिए स्लैप? किसने इम्पैक्ट एक्चुअली में छोड़ा और किसने इम्प्रेशन नहीं छोड़ा? Tell me.
We'll begin with Abhi Ash. It's a nice shoot. Again, मेरे दो issues थे. उनके अलावा I think it's a clap.
Small clap
Small
for them.
clap. Small clap. Moving on, we have John Bipasha.
Big clap.
Big clap. Big clap.
Loud.
Kangana also deserves from my side.
I like her JJ Valaya look.
Okay, alright, so it gives a clap. Rani Mukherjee on the cover of L'Officiel. I'm sorry, not a clap at all.
Oh no!
Who else was there? Shweta Bachchan. Again, as I said, girl is lovely. The outfit was not.
So the overall?
Look was not great.
Yeah.
Sorry. Lara Dutta deserves a clap for being Lara Dutta. The clothes were just incidental. I mean, she could have worn anything and still looked great. So clap for Lara Dutta.
तो देख लिया आपने क्या था हमारे एक्सपर्ट स्टाइलिस्ट का वर्डिक्ट. अभी लेते एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, लेकिन ब्रेक के बाद अमित,
ब्रेक के बाद मैं आपको लेकर चलूंगा अपनी बहुत ही अजीज दोस्त अमनप्रीत वाही के घर में. चेक करेंगे उनका वार्डरोब एंड वील हैव फन चिट चैट विद हर.